Recently, we got a chance to stay for 3 nights in the Marina Bay Sands Hotel in Singapore. It's definitely more than I normally spend on hotels, but it's worth it for a treat. We had a room high up facing the city. The view alone was worth the substantial price tag. Floor-to-ceiling windows showed it off perfectly. The room was huge, with a bathroom bigger than any of the rooms I got in Japan. The air conditioning was very effective and accurate, not too cold. It was almost silent, which adds to the great night's sleep. The pool area is the main event, superb, but remember, you're 50-odd floors up. The wind was quite strong and not so warm. Be careful, as you can easily get a sunburn if you don't use sunblock. The swim and the photo in the pool will be the highlight of many holidays. The whole experience is a must while you're in Singapore. We'll definitely be returning as soon as possible. Click the link below the video for the best room rates.